Well, guys, and sometimes you gotta take L's too. You know, when you are in a new city, sometimes you don't know what's going on. Today is pack up day. We gotta get all our stuff together because tomorrow we're going on a road trip to Boston. I'll tell you a little more about it once we're on the road, but right now, it's time to get packed up. All right, we made it to Boston. We're set up and ready to go have fun. I've never been to the Northeast other than New York, but we definitely have some things on our to-do list that we want to see here. One, for example, is Boston General, get the Boston experience. We want to go up to Salem, and we want to go and see whales. So whale watching is going to be a big thing for me and also my wife because we've never been here or anywhere to see whales. It's always been on our to-do list. So I'm excited, or we are excited, to check that mark off, hopefully this week. So today I'm gonna go around Boston, take some photos, and share with you what I like to do when I come to a new city that I've never photographed, and how I'll make it easier for myself, and hopefully maybe also for you. But more about that later on. One thing that I like to do is go on Instagram and look for the main city account because they share all kinds of photos and videos of the city itself. If it's buildings or architecture itself or whatever the city has to offer, they promote it on their page because they want a lot of people to come. So it always helps me to just get a rough idea of, okay, I want to go to this spot, to this spot, to this spot, because those are the things that I like to photograph.
Look guys, and sometimes you gotta take L's too. You know, when you are in a new city, sometimes you don't know what's going on. For example, this.
Got lots of construction going on.
Not ideal for taking photos. So that's how it is sometimes. Instead, I'm going to share another thing with you that I like to do when I'm in a new city, and that's I try to be early at locations or pretty late, because what I want to do is I want to avoid crowds. Sometimes you want people in your photos, I understand that, and that I want that too, but for the most part I want only a couple of people in my photos. So I'll try to go out super early in the morning or pretty late in the evenings. Right, Jojo? This morning, a little breakfast on the grill to get the morning started, and then the game plan is to go to Salem, Massachusetts. If you've seen the movie Hocus Pocus, it probably sounds familiar to you. We're gonna check that out and then see how the day is going. Alright, so we made it to Salem. I have to say I had something else in mind for some reason. I thought it was gonna be a little tiny village with adorable houses everywhere, but this seems to be a little more populated than I thought it would be. Oh, and parking, I don't even want to talk about that. Parking was crazy. It took us about 20 minutes to find a parking spot. So it's definitely a touristy kind of attraction here. So if you ever go here, make sure you come early if you want to find a parking spot. Alright, today marks the last day of our trip. We wanted to end it with something super special, which was whale watching. Unfortunately, they canceled on us because of the weather conditions were too dangerous to go out. It's a big bummer for us, but I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do. But this ends today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a like, maybe give it a comment. What did you like most about the vlog? And I will see you in the next one. Peace.